This is a view of our engine compartment. Obviously this engine compartment needs some work. This was a non-air conditioning car, which is nice because none of that heater box and stuff is in the way. We do have a power steering steering box, which we're going to probably want to change over to manual, and we're going to eliminate the wheel wells, so we have quite a bit of neatening up to do here. This is all really sloppy and cut up, and it's just a mess. So we're going to probably pull the nose off of this car, and we're going to put the car outside, and we're going to power wash it and then vacuum all the leaves out of the cowl. Car, probably things living in the cowl underneath the dashboard, and quite a bit of work in here just to clean it up and get it ready to accept an engine. But that's what we do, so that's what we're looking forward to doing. All right, check that car's never come apart in its whole life, so it's not coming apart easy. Alright, well, I think we got it unbolted. We noticed that they tack welded, the people who worked on this car last or whenever, tack welded the bottom of the fender to the rocker panel and then covered it with seam sealer. So we had all the bolts out, but we couldn't figure out why it wouldn't get loose. So a little bit of some primer action, and I think this is ready to come out. Don't have to be real careful because I'm not going to save most of this. Door. Well, we might want to loosen the radiator support just to get this wheel well to pass by the support. I don't plan on using the wheel wells. I could even cut it. Just not use any of that stuff. It's actually rotted out. See, it's hitting right there. And cut this out. And let me see if I got something. Wheel wells are going right into the garbage. Makes my life a little easier. the fender up? You don't want to fall. Got it? Okay. Well, it should come off. Well, this one was even worse. They actually welded a piece of steel from the fender to the rocker panel and then went over that with seam sealer and cut a little line in it. So you'd think that that was the space between the fender and the rocker. So the fenders are off. It's going to be a whole lot easier to clean this up. We're going to plumb an engine in here with the headers and make the wiring all nice and neat. And at least for the time being, under the hood will be neat. The rest of the car we'll try to clean up a little bit, and that'll be a work in progress. We're going to go after the radiator support now. By the time we're done with that, should have nothing but basically 2 frame rails and 2 tires sticking out from the firewall. Plus we'll have to do something with this braking system, because that's not even really attached. So that's not going to stop anybody. But like my father says, brakes don't make you go any faster. They just slow you down. Oh, that's pretty tight. Wait for some air. You need a better compressor. Wait for that air to kick off. It might go. Wow. That ain't gonna go. This is breaker bar action. Okay. That's one side. Let's break this side. That's pretty tight. Let me get the gun. Stay. It's not really liking that, is it? Alright, let's get the extension out of here. Sometimes you lose a little bit of power when you got an extension. I was just going for comfort. I might break loose now. Okay.